As people begin to re-enter public spaces, businesses have a duty to keep the workplace clean and virus-free. In this video, we will show you how to print floor graphics and wall signages with Oki long banner and sticker printer. But before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. For printing floor graphics, we will print on a banner paper with a size of 295mm by 1.32 meters. Print on pre-cut media for signages, for capturing immediate attention and much more. The use of floor stickers can help retailers to ensure shoppers to observe social distancing rules protecting staff and other customers throughout the public places. The floor banners are sleep-proof and you can put them directly on the floor. Oki long banner and sticker printer can print on a range of different media types, sizes, and weights up to 256 GSM. Flexibility is the key, yet retailers commonly rely on in-store signage dispatched from head office or the service of an external print supplier. This can mean long lead times, creating a delay in how quickly each store can place vital and relevant communications on the shop floor. So, this product is made for retailers for them to print directly on their shops, to print and apply what they want in different locations at the same time. Floor stickers allowing retailers to help customers adhere to social distancing regulations by placing stickers with the appropriate gap between them, safeguarding the well-being of both customers and staff. The ability for retailers to communicate clearly to customers and maintain those controls through signage printed on demand and in a professional quality will allow retailers to ensure their store remains a safe and peaceful environment for shoppers, not only in store but also offices, schools, and public places. Being able to react quickly to sudden changes in demand means retailers need instant access to resources that enables a diverse range of signage and communications to be printed quickly and easily in-store. Print a social distancing media and graphics with Oki to encourage calm in times of chaos. Oki long banner and sticker printer is an innovative solution to the retail space, with vast media flexibility, perfect for in-house professional point-of-sale signage. For more information, visit our website at www.multisys.me. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.